This is the grill that you are used to seeing in life. You turn these, the fire goes up, and it gives your burgers and your steaks a really nice singe to it. Today we're gonna show you a $2,000 Traeger grill. It's called a smoker, but not the smoker you're thinking of right now. For those of you that don't know what a smoker grill is, these are pellets. These are little wooden pellets. They look like rabbit food. And you drop them down into this section right here. And the fire that's down, it's not right here like most grills, it's down underneath. You put in this thermometer into your meat, and if it needs more or less, then it regulates the pellets as it goes.
That's crazy, you can just do that from your phone.
Traeger Grills has no affiliation with this video. This right here is like a little computer that's built into it. And the nice thing about it is that it can connect to Wi-Fi to your app on your phone, and you can be anywhere in the world and be checking in on your meat. It can change based off of the different recipes that you program in here, which there's 7,000 of them that are in there. Today's sponsor of the video is HelloFresh. They gave us the opportunity to buy something so nice to take apart to show you guys. We're gonna talk about them a little bit later in the video. But for now, why in the world do they make smokers that cost $2,000? Ah, I missed. Too much muscle. What would happen if we threw it at it when it's open? Would this hinge come off? I'm going for it. Oh! Oh! Did you see that? Okay, so I hit it right here. Why would somebody spend 13 hours to smoke something? It's actually really, really good food. Speaking of good food, this is a moment to talk about our sponsor of the day, HelloFresh. It's something that we use every 2 weeks. In around 30 minutes, you can make a meal for your family. We spend less time meal planning and grocery shopping each week, and we get back to doing things that we love, like tearing stuff apart. All of the recipes come pre-planned with the entire ingredients that are with it. You have everything that you need. Every week I'm able to try new recipes that I probably would never try before or make before, but I'm not afraid of it because of these simple and easy to follow recipes. You can manage your subscription online along with the recipes that you want for that week. You guys know how much we travel. We're able to pause our subscription for that week. So if you'd like to try HelloFresh, you can go to HelloFresh.com, enter the code What's Inside, and you can get $60 off. That's $20 off your first 3 boxes of HelloFresh. Today I made the meal with my sister. That is good. So show some support for HelloFresh for sponsoring this video and giving us the chance to see what's inside of a Traeger grill.
I think I'm gonna go away just for a brief moment.
It's hammer time. Hey. Check this out. We got a direct hit onto the screen. Maybe I should unplug the power. That's probably smart. You can see right inside of there. Just need to take this off a bit more. Okay, let's take off this part of it. Sorry, Brandon. I'm gonna have to fix your grass. That's really strong. The sledgehammer's the wrong way to go. I'm gonna take a break from this for a minute because I'm really tired. Some people will put an insulated blanket over their grills. With this one, you don't have to because it already comes insulated. So that's why it looks really thick right here on this top part. Let's take a little cut to it really quick. Our blade is dying.
No!
But we made a good incision. I don't think I made it all the way through. Ooh. I mean, you've got this stuff that goes around it that kind of keeps it insulated. If you look at it, it's really just this aluminum or this steel that's right here, and then they have air in the middle, where with like a Yeti mug, the air is inside of it, but it's like vacuum sealed and it's welded together. The air from the actual smoker is going to come up and go inside of that. I checked on the Traeger website and I didn't see that there were any type of specific ratings of them testing this in like 20 below zero. And I think part of the reason is because it's not a true like insulated wall. Is it better to get one that is insulated that costs more money? My uneducated opinion, it's not gonna hurt. It's not gonna hurt to have one that's insulated, but I would think that a blanket on top would probably work better than fully relying on 2 pieces of steel versus 1. The sun's about to set. Let's take out these racks. So unlike most grills, you don't have fire right there. It just lifts up. Okay, so there's the plate that protects it. This is where the magic happens on the Traeger grill. This little tiny place right here.
Yeah, you can see the four little, you can see all these holes in it. That's probably where the pellets just drop
Yeah,
out.
they drop right down into there, and then they burn
cool.
up. This, I don't even know why that's there. So right down in there, there's the end of it right there where the pellets will come out of. Oh, okay. Oh, I feel like I just pulled the brain out of a robot. This must be the electronic starter. The little wood pellets just drop right in there, just plop, plop, plop,
Plop.
right into this little bin.
Plop, plop,
I just
plop.
took that. So this area right here, all is where the oil collects and drops down into there from your meat. Drops into this little fancy Traeger branded tinfoil container. The computer is down in there. It's connected to some wires. Here's your Wi-Fi settings.
I think that is the most tech that there is in a grill.
This much tech inside of a grill.
Grill.
There's where the screen was. But that looked cool and now it's dead.
are
Oh
the
my
really
gosh,
good
look what happened. I felt it when we hit it. It was really hot.
Yeah.
We did something to it.
My dad and Hunter are trying to open it right now.
I almost landed on the sledgehammer. I'm not gonna tell you how long I've been working on this side thing, but it definitely was the wrong place to start. But I've got one more bolt, I think. I like totally cut the plastic. It almost decapitated my sledgehammer. Wow.
Gonna give up?
I'll never give up. This thing's definitely not made in China.
Hey, that was easy.
Thanks for being smarter than me.
Yeah!
We've got a few fans. Look at this guy. Look at that little fan. All these little connectors. This is where the full convection thing comes from. A convection oven is basically a fan that blows and circulates the air. We finally saw where the pellets go through, where it spins and sends them through.
Yes!
Who's the champ now?
You.
Let us know in the comments, what are your thoughts on the Traeger? Is it the best grill out there?
Thank you, HelloFresh, for sponsoring this video.
And if you want to get your discounted HelloFresh and give it a try, you can get $60 off at HelloFresh.com and use the code What's Inside. That's $20 off your first 3 boxes that come to your house. There goes Traeger.
Bye, Traeger.
I dropped your son's key fob, and look what happened.
That's the only one he has. You didn't need to see what was inside a key fob. Get wrecked.
What can I say? He likes to see what's inside even if he doesn't mean to.
That's right.